Hello, my dear students. I hope you are doing fine. Today we are going to make a very short assignments again. We are going to, repeat what we learned before, and we are going to learn new stuff. Okay, we are in Google Docs, and I made the font size 24 for you already, so you don't have to change it. I changed the font to Meriwether, but you can pick any font you like, okay, and any color you want. Okay, the first line, I want you to write hello, okay, and a comma. Don't forget the comma. The thing about comma is very important. You should leave a space after a comma, always, and you shouldn't leave a space before. So it should look like this. Okay, hello, my name, after the comma, I shouldn't be using a capital. My name is, I'm going to write my name, but you write yours, period, enter. Okay, and today I am learning how to use alignments. Okay, period. Today I'm learning how to use alignment. This is your first sentence. I want you to push enter after that. This sentence is aligned to let's say left. Okay, period. Next line, push enter. This sentence is aligned to right. Okay, period. After writing this one, I want you to use your mouse and go all the way to up to there. Align. But when you click on the align button, you will have options. The first one is already left aligned. The second one we want is to be aligned to what? Right. So click on this. As you see, the center is aligned to right. Okay, I'm now pushing enter. See, my sentence is still aligned to right. I can continue typing, and this, okay, sentence, why am I rushing this, is centered. Okay, period. I want to make this sentence centered. See, I'm not highlighting anything. I'm just clicking on the sentence and clicking on align button. Now this time make it centered. Okay, good. When you come to the end, I will go to the end of my text and I will push enter. Next line, let's remember what we did before. I will scroll down a little bit. Okay, here is a bold sentence. Okay, period. After the finishing sentences, we have to put period. How do I make this bold? I highlight it, use my mouse, click on it, drag it. Okay, then I go to the what? Bold. Okay, I made this bold, so it is now thick in color. Okay, I push enter. This time I'm going to make that one is italic. Okay, period. Okay, I want this sentence to be italic. Highlight it first, then go to bold and cancel. Close the bold, make it normal as it was before, then go to italic and push once. That one is italic. Good. I will go to the end now. See, it's a bit angled. Now I'm pushing enter and making the last sentence. This is both bold and underlined. Okay, you can make them both something. So this time I'm highlighting it. See, this is supposed to be both bold and underlined. So it's not supposed to be italic. I close italic first, then I go to bold and I go to underline. Good. If you did this, you have to turn in your assignment. But of course, please show me before that. That is the whole task for today. That's a very short, good task. So I wish you good luck and have a great day. Bye-bye.